Good evening, everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Uttam. So today we are going to see the topic nth term of HP from the last. In this topic, we have to find the nth term of HP from the last. Okay, it means it from the end. So let's start today's lesson. Suppose A1, A2, A3 up to AN. Okay, so this is HP. Okay, let's say it 1. Okay, so we have to find nth term. Question is that what is the nth term of 1 from the last? Okay, from the last. It means from the end. From the end. It means what is the end of this series? We have to find some nth term. Some nth term is there. Nth term. We have to find nth term. So nth term will be somewhere here from the last. It means starting from AN. So how to find? So first of all, since progression 1 has n elements, n terms, therefore m has to be less than equal to n, because otherwise if m is greater than n, it is not possible to find the mth term. Okay, so m has to be less than equal to n. Okay, so how to find the mth term of harmonic progression 1 from the last? Okay, so what is the corresponding AP of 1 is? What is that? Corresponding AP is 1 upon A1, 1 upon A2, 1 upon A3, and so on, 1 upon AN. So this is corresponding AP. This is AP. Okay. So let's say it's 2. So what is the relation between last term of this? So you see that the nth term of 1 the nth term of HP1 is equal to 1 upon the nth term of HP1. The nth term of HP1 from the last is equal to the nth term of AP2 from the last. Why? Because suppose nth term from last is B here. Okay, B here. Then what will be the nth term of this AP from the last? It will be 1 upon B here. So how to regain the nth term of HP1 from the AP2? By taking 1 upon B. That means taking 1 upon B means it will be B. Okay. So in this way we can regain the last term from we can find last term mth term from the last of HP by the help of mth term of AP from the last. Okay. Now how to find the mth term of AP from the last? Okay. Suppose now this is given. Now we have to taken care of this AP. This is AP. So we have to find the last term. We have to find mth term from the last of this AP. Okay. So how to find? So this is AP. The AP is look like, so this will be A. This will be 1 upon, this will be A plus B. And so on it will be. So what will be the last term? Last term is L. That is 1 upon AN. Okay. So what is the formula of AP? The mth term of AP2 from the last is equal to 1 upon L minus M minus D. Okay, this is the formula. Okay. The mth term of AP2 from the last is given by L minus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Or in the first term, so right here, mth term is given by this. Okay. M minus 1. If we put value of L, what is L here? L is here, this last term. And what is that? What is and this is nth term. So this is A plus N minus 1 into D. So you can put also the value of L here. So what you will get then? You will get, put the value of L here. This will be N minus M into D. Okay. So there are the two formula. Okay. Therefore, the mth term of HP1 from the last is equal to 1 upon L minus M minus into D is equal to, this is minus here, A plus N minus M into D. Okay. So how we got formula? We got this formula from this equation, star equation. Let's say this is star. So from star we got this formula. From equation star we get this. Okay. So it will be clear by example. Let 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 11, and the last term is 1 upon 407 bhp. Then what is the 50th term from the last? Okay. So let's see its solution. So what is the HP? 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 11 and 1 upon 407. This is HP. Corresponding AP is what is the corresponding AP? This is 1 upon 1 by, okay, 1 upon 1 upon 7, 1 upon 1 upon 11 and so on, 1 upon 407. So what is this? 3, 7, 11, 407. So this is AP, corresponding AP. So what is the first term? This is, okay. What is the D? D is 7 minus 3. That is 4. What is L? L is 407. Okay. So here, no need to calculate value of N. So 50th term from the last we need. So therefore, 50th term of given HP from the last is equal to 1 upon L minus M minus 1 into D. So what is the value of here? What is the value of M? M is 50. So put the value here. What is L here? 407. What is, this is 50 minus 1. What is D? D is 4. Okay. So what is this whole bit? 407, 49 into 4, 1 upon 407, 6, 196. Okay. So what is this? This is 1 upon 1 here and 21. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. So now move to next example. Example is 2. A HP has 500 terms. Okay. And its corresponding AP has first term 1 and common difference 8. Okay. What is the 101th term of HP from the last? Okay. Solution. So how many terms the HP has? HP has 500 terms. The corresponding AP will also have 500 terms. And what is the A here? Corresponding AP has, it means corresponding AP has first term 1. What is the common difference? Common difference is 8. Okay. Common difference is 8. Common difference is 8. 8. Okay. And which term we have to find? M is here 101. Okay. Therefore, because N is given, A is given, D is given. Okay. Therefore, the 101 term of SP from the last is equal to 1 upon A plus N minus M into D. Okay. So what is A here? What is A here? 1 plus, what is N is 500. What is M? 101. And what is D? D is 1 upon 1 plus, so it is 399 into 8. So solve it. So this is 1 plus 7 carry 9 31. Okay. So this is 3193. So this is the answer. Okay. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.